Hey there, future Web3 rockstar. If you're watching this, chances are you're curious about landing a remote job in Web3 and crypto, maybe even one of those high-paying roles everyone's talking about. Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to not just any job, but one of the highest-paying roles in Web3 by end of 2025. And the best part? You can do it all from anywhere in the world. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into the future of work together. This is going to be a deep dive, so buckle up, it's going to be worth it. Alright, let's start with the basics. What even is Web3? If you're new to this, Web3 is the next evolution of the internet. It's decentralized, meaning no single company or entity controls it. Instead, it's powered by blockchain technology, smart contracts, and cryptocurrencies. Think of it as the internet where you own your data, your identity, and even your money. Now, why should you care? Well, Web3 is growing fast. By end of 2025, the industry is expected to be worth trillions. And with that kind of growth comes massive opportunities for jobs, especially remote ones. Companies in this space are hiring globally, and they're paying top dollar for the right talent. But here's the thing, Web3 isn't just for coders. Sure, developers are in high demand, but there are roles for marketers, designers, writers, community managers, and even lawyers. So no matter what your skills are, there's a place for you in Web3. Let's talk about the money. What are the highest paying roles in Web3, and how can you position yourself to land one? Blockchain developers, these are the builders of Web3. They create smart contracts, decentralized apps, dApps, and work on blockchain protocols. Salaries here can range from $120,000 to $300,000 plus per year. Smart contract auditors, these are the security experts who ensure that smart contracts are safe and free from vulnerabilities. With hacks being a major concern in crypto, this role is critical. Expect salaries between $150,000 and $400,000. Token economists, these are the masterminds behind the design of crypto tokens and their ecosystems. They ensure that tokenomics make sense and drive value. Salaries can go up to $250,000 plus. Decentralized finance, DeFi Experts, DeFi is one of the hottest sectors in Web3. If you understand how to build or manage DeFi protocols, you're looking at salaries between $150,000 and $350,000. Web3 product managers, these are the folks who bridge the gap between tech and business. They oversee the development of Web3 products and ensure they meet user needs. Salaries range from $120,000 to $250,000. Community managers and DAO contributors, Web3 is all about community. If you're great at building and engaging communities, you can earn $80,000 to $150,000. Web3 content creators and educators, as the industry grows, so does the need for people who can explain it. If you're a writer, video creator, or educator, you can earn $70,000 to $200,000. The key takeaway? There's a role for everyone. But to land these jobs, you need to start building your skills and your network now. Alright, so you're excited about these roles, but how do you actually get the skills to qualify? Let's break it down step by step. Learn the basics of blockchain, start with free resources like the Bitcoin white paper, Ethereum.org, or YouTube channels like CoinBureau and Ivan on Tech. Get hands-on with crypto, open a wallet, buy some crypto, and start using DeFi platforms. This will give you a feel for how things work. Learn to code, if you're not already a developer. If you're aiming for a technical role, start with Solidity, for Ethereum, or Rust, for Solana. Platforms like CryptoZombies and FreeCodeCamp are great places to start. Understand tokenomics, dive into how tokens work, their utility, and how they're designed. Books like Token Economy by Sherman Voshnger are a great start. Join Web3 communities, Discord, Telegram, and Twitter are where the Web3 action happens. Join DAOs, participate in discussions, and start building your network. Build a portfolio, whether it's a dApp, a blog, or a community project. Start building something tangible that you can show to potential employers. Remember, Web3 moves fast. The more you immerse yourself in the space, the more opportunities you'll find. Now that you've got the skills, where do you actually find these remote Web3 jobs? Here are the best places to look. Job boards. Check out sites like CryptoJobs, AngelList, and Remote3. They specialize in Web3 and crypto roles. Discord and Telegram. Many Web3 companies post job openings in their community channels. Join the ones that align with your interests. Twitter. Follow Web3 founders, investors, and thought leaders. Job openings often get tweeted before they hit job boards. DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, are like community-run companies. Many DAOs hire contributors for paid roles. Networking. Attend virtual Web3 conferences, hackathons, and meetups. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll find. Pro tip: when applying, show that you're passionate about Web3. Companies in this space value enthusiasm and a willingness to learn just as much as experience. With so many people trying to break into Web3, how do you stand out? Here are some tips. Be active in the community, contribute to forums, write threads on Twitter, or create content about Web3. Show that you're genuinely interested in the space. Build in public, share your learning journey or projects on social media. This not only builds your personal brand but also shows potential employers what you're capable of. Get certified. Consider getting certifications like the Certified Blockchain Expert, CBE, or completing courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Leverage your existing skills. If you're a marketer, designer, or writer, find ways to apply your skills to Web3. For example, create NFT marketing campaigns or design DAO websites. Be proactive, don't wait for job postings. Reach out to companies you admire and pitch them on how you can add value. Remember, Web3 is still early. If you show initiative and a willingness to learn, you'll have a huge advantage. Let's talk about the future. By 2025, Web3 is expected to be even bigger than it is today. Here's what that means for you. More opportunities. As more industries adopt blockchain technology, the demand for Web3 talent will skyrocket. Higher salaries. With more competition for talent, salaries are only going to go up. New roles. We'll see entirely new job titles that don't even exist today. Global workforces. Remote work will become the norm, giving you access to jobs from anywhere in the world. The bottom line? If you start building your skills and network now, you'll be in an incredible position to capitalize on these opportunities. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when trying to break into Web3. Not doing your research. Web3 is complex. Make sure you understand the basics before diving in. Focusing only on money. Yes, the salaries are great, but if you're not genuinely interested in the technology, you'll burn out fast. Ignoring networking. Web3 is a community-driven space. If you're not active in the community, you'll miss out on opportunities. Giving up too soon. Breaking into Web3 takes time and effort. Stay consistent, and you'll get there. Alright, that's it. You now have everything you need to start your journey toward landing a remote Web3 job, one of the highest paying roles by 2025. Remember, the key is to start now. Learn, build, and connect with others in the space. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future of work. Subscribe for more Web3 tips and tutorials.